This is your reminder that you do not need nobody to take pictures of you. You just need yourself. Stop waiting on other people. Stop waiting on photographers. Stop waiting on your friends to take pictures of yourself, and start teaching yourself how to do it.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding.
Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. Venance here. For the best branding, business and content creation tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. In this video, I'm going to give you all my strategies, all my secrets, and all the apps and all the little tips and tricks that I do to take the best pictures ever. Okay, my pictures, I take them by myself. I've always done it by myself. This is exactly how I started my modeling career. I started my modeling career by taking pictures with my iPhone and posting it on social media, and that's how I got discovered. That's how I got signed. I want to show you how to do it with an iPhone, because I feel like that most people have it and they don't have a professional camera. I can do also one with a professional camera. So let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a video on how I do it with a professional camera. Trust me, I know what it's like taking your own pictures by yourself in public. It is a struggle. I know if you've tried it before, you probably were like, I'm not gonna do this again because this is just too much. Sometimes it can feel so awkward when people are passing by and looking at you and saying something to you, and just, you know, it can feel so awkward. I know, because I've been there plenty of time. The lighting is not right, the location is not right, like everything can just be a mess if you try to go and take pictures by yourself. Like, I know it's so frustrating. Tell me in the comment section down below if you've experienced this before. You went to go take pictures by yourself and just everything went to shits. Like, you were just like, oh my god. Everything that I'm gonna mention, I'm gonna include it in the description box below. I'm gonna add the tripod that I use. So you need a really good sturdy tripod. You need a tripod that is not big and bulky enough that you can take it in different locations where it doesn't bring so much attention to you, but also one that is very sturdy and something that you can just put in your bag and just go somewhere quick to take your pictures. The second thing you need is you don't always need lighting equipment, but when you're taking pictures outside, you need a location where there is really good lighting. You don't want to be standing on top of the light. You want to be standing, the light needs to be looking at you. I'm gonna include a video on this explanation, but the sun, when it comes to lighting, the sun cannot be on top of you, or you cannot be behind the sun. The sun needs to be coming towards you. Okay, set up your tripod and make sure you are standing in front of the sun or your light source. Now I am standing behind the sun. Literally, the sun is behind me, so there's going to be shadows and my pictures are not going to be hitting. Okay, so you want to stand in front of the sun. The sun needs to be hitting your face. So now there is two ways on how you are going to take the pictures by yourself. One is to use a clicker, okay, a little clicker to take the pictures. I actually like this better. I feel like my pictures come out looking clearer and better when I do it, and it makes me feel like a photographer is taking my pictures, because I'm clicking while I'm posing, I'm clicking while I'm posing. And the second thing that you're gonna need is an app called Lens Buddy. Okay, the app is called Lens Buddy. So you can download this app and connect it to your phone. It's really easy to do. Now that you connected Lens Buddy to your phone, it is now time to find your location. Usually what I do, I go find the locations even before I take the pictures. So find the location and make sure that the location goes with your outfit. Make sure that it just looks good with your outfit. Okay, so now that you found your location, you want to set up your tripod. Set up your tripod, mount it on, you know, mount your phone wherever you want to do it. And like I mentioned before, so set up your tripod where the sun is hitting your face, and start either using the clicker. You can connect the clicker to your phone or use Lens Buddy and just click the button and start taking your pictures. Now it's time to pose. It's time to give your best pose. First is you can set up you want to experiment with different poses and experiment how you want to set up your tripod. So you can set up your tripod at a low angle for more like dramatic shots. Set up the tripod where the tripod is hitting you a little bit more straight forward, and that's gonna give it more like a clean aesthetic type of look. So just play around with the different type of angles, play around with a different type of poses, like literally just play around and see what looks good. Just trying different things to really see what is gonna come out the best. It's just trying different angles, different poses, and also practice your poses in the mirror even before your photo shoot. Like whenever I do my content days, the night before I practice my poses. I know exactly what I'm gonna wear, and I know exactly where I'm gonna shoot. Sometimes the next day it can change. Like sometimes I can be like, okay, this probably, I don't want to wear this outfit today, so I want to give a different type of vibe. I want to give a different type of location. So it can change the next day, but at least you're going to be ready with practicing your posing, practicing however you're going to be posing to get the best pictures and the best shots. Okay? You can also use props in your pictures. You can use your phone. You know, I like getting some of these shots where I'm like, I'm holding my phone to look like I'm taking, you know, I'm taking my picture. You can have like a shot with your, you know, it depends on the type of shot that you're trying to do. You can have little props. You can have maybe you holding your iPad or your laptop. You know, it really depends on the type of vibe that you're trying to do. So don't forget to add props to your pictures. Lastly, if you're using Lens Buddy, you can do the burst mode where it's just taking a bunch of pictures. And this, you just want to move. You just want to move. You just want to move around and move around. That's it. Because you want to get those type of shots where it's kind of like, oh yeah, I didn't know like this picture was gonna come out cute, but look how I was like walking, and it just took a nice picture of me. So just have like the burst mode on and just keep shooting, and just keep posing and moving around. Don't look awkward. If people are passing by, don't give a shit, because just be like, hey, I'm gonna be making money doing this, so don't care what people are thinking. Last one is confidence. You guys, I'm always gonna end up with this because I think that if you don't have the confidence to go out there and actually take your pictures, they're not gonna come out good. So the way that I do it is, before I go to take my content day and take my pictures, I play music and I dance and I make myself feel good. You know, I have myself up, I probably get a drink. I just do something that's gonna make me feel really confident, feel really sexy, feel really good, you know. Even when I'm there, I like to play music. I even bring my speakers so that when I'm posing, I really get into it. Like I get into it, like literally pose like you are at a photo shoot or something, like, because you are at a photo shoot. The only difference is that there's no photographer. You are the photographer. So, and lastly, own it. Don't give a shit if people are looking at you. Like, this is going to be a full-time job. This is going to be your thing. So don't care who is watching. Don't care that people are there. Most of the time, people are going to look at you one time and then be like, oh, she looks pretty, and keep moving. Everybody's thinking about themselves. It's in your head because you're thinking about that people are thinking about you and caring about you. But don't give a crap what anyone thinks about you when you're taking these pictures, because guess what? This is going to be a full-time job. This is going to be a full-time job. So don't care what anybody is thinking. I hope that this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section down below if you enjoyed this. You can comment below and feel free to join the Modelpreneur member circle. Join, because in the Modelpreneur member circle, I go more in depth about this, and I can even teach you better. Like, I can actually look at your pictures and tell you how you can make it better. You can join for free for 7 days, and you can also get help from other coaches and other people. Thank you so much for watching my video. Feel free to subscribe, share this video, and comment down below. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, queen. Mwah.